It's 2:17 a.m., and once again, you're wide awake. Your heart races, your mind replays every conversation from hours ago, and no matter how exhausted you feel, your body refuses to relax. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. This isn't just getting older, and it isn't a weakness you have to accept. What you eat in the hours before bed can quietly and powerfully determine whether you drift into deep sleep or stay trapped in this cycle. Night after night, the wrong choices may be sabotaging your rest, even if you've tried everything else. Imagine a natural reset for your sleep, a simple, science-backed routine that guides your body into deep relaxation, eases racing thoughts, and restores balance without pills or chemicals. Some of the foods I'll share tonight work in surprising ways. One is most effective frozen, another needs overnight prep, and one common version is far less effective than most people think. If you've been waking between 2 and 3 a.m., food number 1 might surprise you, but it could be the key to finally breaking the cycle. Before we reveal it, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. Food number 6, overnight oats, not plain oatmeal. This is an important distinction because what you may think of as a simple, comforting bowl of hot oats doesn't work the same way as overnight oats when it comes to sleep. Plain oatmeal digests quickly, sending a rapid surge of glucose into your bloodstream and leaving you vulnerable to the all-too-familiar 2 or 3 a.m. wake-up caused by cortisol spikes. Overnight oats, on the other hand, create something called resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in your small intestine and travels to your gut almost intact. Here's where the magic happens. Resistant starch feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which play a direct role in producing serotonin, the chemical messenger that eventually converts into melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. By supporting this gut-brain connection, overnight oats subtly guide your body into a deeper, more restorative sleep. Beyond the gut benefits, overnight oats slow the release of glucose into your blood. That slow, steady release prevents sudden blood sugar drops that trigger stress hormones in the middle of the night. Essentially, you're stabilizing your energy while allowing your body to relax fully, rather than struggling against spikes and crashes that keep you tossing and turning. This is why the difference between plain oatmeal and overnight oats is more than a matter of taste. It's a hidden optimization that could transform your nights. Preparing overnight oats is simple, yet precise. Start with rolled oats and soak them for 6 to 8 hours, usually overnight. Add chia seeds, which further support digestion and hormone regulation, and pour in almond milk to create a creamy consistency. If you like, top with kiwi slices to add a touch of natural sweetness and vitamin C, without triggering rapid glucose spikes. By following these small steps, you're not just making a breakfast or snack, you're creating a tool that guides your body's internal rhythm toward calm, steady rest. Contrast this with regular oatmeal. It digests faster, lacks the resistant starch that feeds your gut bacteria, and misses out on this layered support for serotonin and melatonin production. Many people eat oatmeal thinking it will help them sleep, yet they unknowingly leave this advantage on the table. Understanding the mechanism, how resistant starch works, why slow glucose release matters, and how gut health connects to your sleep hormones, gives you both knowledge and power. You're not at the mercy of middle-of-the-night wake-ups. With overnight oats, you're making a deliberate choice to stabilize your body, support your brain, and finally reclaim the deep, uninterrupted rest you've been missing. By preparing overnight oats, you're also practicing a small but meaningful act of self-care, a tangible way to take charge of your nights. It's empowering to realize that something as simple as how you prepare your oats can influence serotonin, melatonin, blood sugar, and ultimately, your ability to sleep deeply. This is why food number 6 matters. It's not just oatmeal, it's a carefully designed step toward reclaiming control over your sleep, supporting your body, and giving your mind the calm it needs to rest fully. A few hours of soaking today can transform the way you wake up tomorrow. Food number 5, Greek yogurt with raw honey. Not plain yogurt. This isn't just a subtle switch, it's a game changer for your nighttime rest. Greek yogurt is higher in protein than regular yogurt, which helps keep your metabolism steady while you sleep and provides the building blocks your body needs to repair muscles overnight. It also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that encourages relaxation and the natural production of serotonin, which eventually converts into melatonin, your body's sleep hormone. By including Greek yogurt in your evening routine, you're giving your body a foundation for calm and restorative sleep, supporting both muscle recovery and the gentle regulation of your internal rhythm. Now, here's where most people hesitate. Honey. It might feel counterintuitive to add sugar before bed, but a tiny amount of raw honey, about a teaspoon, has a subtle yet powerful effect. Honey helps maintain liver glycogen levels during the night, which prevents your body from triggering a stress response around 3 a.m., a common culprit behind sudden wake-ups. In other words, this small honey trick keeps cortisol stable, allowing your nervous system to remain relaxed and your mind calm. Too much sugar, of course, would be disruptive, spiking blood glucose and causing more stress, but in this precise, measured way, it becomes therapeutic rather than harmful. For those looking to optimize further, a pinch of cinnamon can help support blood sugar stability, adding another layer of protection against nighttime wake-ups. Preparing this is simple. Half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, eaten about 45 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. This small, deliberate act empowers you to take control of your nights, turning what might seem like an indulgence into a scientifically grounded tool for deeper rest. Many people underestimate the importance of balancing protein and a little sugar before bed. It might feel unusual at first, but understanding why this works, the interaction between tryptophan, serotonin, melatonin, and liver glycogen gives you both the knowledge and confidence to act. You're not leaving your sleep to chance. You're actively supporting your body's systems with a strategy that respects its natural rhythms. With Greek yogurt and a tiny touch of raw honey, you're building a ritual that prevents stress-induced awakenings, supports metabolism, and sets the stage for a calm, restorative night. This is more than a snack. It's a secret science-backed step toward reclaiming control over your sleep and your health. Food number 4, almond butter, not whole almonds. While whole almonds are often praised for their magnesium content, the way your body absorbs them, especially as we age, makes a big difference for sleep. Digestion slows with time, and whole almonds can sit in the stomach longer than ideal, making their minerals less available when your body needs them most. Almond butter, on the other hand, is already ground, allowing your digestive system to absorb magnesium more efficiently. This means the calming benefits for your nervous system and muscles reach you faster, supporting relaxation and helping your body prepare for a restful night. Magnesium plays a crucial role in promoting calm by influencing GABA pathways in the brain, the neurotransmitters that signal your nervous system to slow down. It also helps muscles relax, preventing the tension that can make falling asleep difficult. Beyond relaxation, magnesium contributes to stabilizing blood sugar overnight, reducing the chance of waking up hungry or restless in the middle of the night. By giving your body minerals it can quickly use, you're providing a subtle but powerful tool to guide your physiology toward balance rather than leaving sleep to chance. Preparing this is simple yet precise. A single tablespoon of natural almond butter paired with half a banana, eaten about an hour before bed, provides both magnesium and a gentle carbohydrate boost to support stable blood sugar. This combination offers the calming and stabilizing effects of almonds in a form your body can actually use at night. It's a small, deliberate action, but it gives your nervous system what it needs to settle, reduces the risk of midnight wake-ups, and subtly signals to your body that it's time to relax. Compare this to whole almonds, which may be harder to digest late in the evening. While nutritious, they don't always release their minerals efficiently, meaning your body might miss out on the full sleep-supporting benefits. Understanding this distinction gives you an edge. You're not just eating almonds, you're optimizing how your body receives and uses nutrients, particularly when sleep quality is on the line. Recognizing the difference between what looks healthy and what is actually effective empowers you to make choices that honor your changing digestion, stabilize your nervous system, and support restorative sleep. By choosing almond butter over whole almonds, you're embracing a subtle but effective way to optimize your night. It's about more than just a snack. It's a strategic step to calm your mind, relax your muscles, and create the conditions your body needs for deep, uninterrupted rest. A small, intentional choice today can lead to nights where sleep is no longer elusive and mornings where your energy feels renewed. This is food number 4, a simple, scientifically informed way to reclaim the calm and restorative sleep your body deserves. Food number 3, baked sweet potato, not boiled. While sweet potatoes are often thought of as a simple comfort food, the way you prepare them can make a significant difference for sleep. Boiling may soften them quickly, but baking preserves their texture and the structure of their slow-digesting carbohydrates. These slow carbs release glucose gradually into your bloodstream, helping prevent sudden spikes that can trigger adrenaline and wake you in the middle of the night. Choosing the baked version is a subtle but powerful way to keep your body's energy stable, while signaling to your nervous system that it's time to wind down. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium, a mineral essential for muscle relaxation and nerve regulation. By including a baked sweet potato in your evening routine, you're supporting your muscles and nerves to calm naturally, reducing tension that can keep you tossing and turning. The combination of potassium and slow carbohydrates creates a foundation of stability, both physically and chemically, that allows your body to transition smoothly into sleep. This is not just about eating for comfort. It's about giving your body the precise tools it needs to maintain balance through the night. Beyond the immediate effects on muscles and nerves, a baked sweet potato can subtly influence your gut microbiome. The fibers in the potato feed beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn support serotonin production indirectly. Serotonin is a precursor to melatonin, your sleep hormone, meaning that by nourishing your gut tonight, you're helping your brain prepare for restorative rest. Even small, thoughtful choices like this can have cascading benefits, turning something as simple as dinner into a practical step toward healthier nights and more energized mornings. Preparing it is straightforward but intentional. Choose a small sweet potato, bake it until tender, and finish with a light sprinkle of sea salt and a small drizzle of olive oil. Eat this about 2 hours before bed to give your body time to digest and absorb nutrients gradually. This timing, combined with the preparation method, ensures stable glucose, relaxed muscles, and gentle gut support, all working together to help prevent common nighttime wake-ups caused by blood sugar dips or nervous system tension. Many people overlook the subtle power of preparation. Boiled sweet potatoes may feel quicker or easier, but they lack the slow carbohydrate release and texture that influence digestion, energy, and calm. By choosing to bake, you're practicing a form of quiet optimization, a small but meaningful action that respects your body's rhythms and signals. This is food number 3, a simple, comforting, and scientifically informed way to support your body's natural sleep cycle while taking deliberate control over your nights. One small potato can transform your evening from restless to restorative, giving you the calm, stable foundation your body craves to finally sleep like it's meant to. Food number 2, warm turmeric milk, not regular milk. Milk has long been valued for its tryptophan, an amino acid that naturally encourages relaxation and supports melatonin production. But by itself, regular milk often falls short of providing the deeper support your body needs for restorative sleep, especially as we age and inflammation quietly builds. Adding turmeric transforms this familiar drink into a nightly ritual that not only promotes calm, but also tackles underlying inflammation that can quietly disrupt your rest. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce joint pain at night and lower neuroinflammation, helping your brain and body settle more fully into rest. To enhance absorption, a small pinch of black pepper should be added, as it dramatically increases curcumin's effectiveness. This simple pairing can lower inflammatory cytokines, the molecules that, when elevated, can block deep sleep and keep you restless. Inflammation is a silent sleep thief, and by addressing it, turmeric milk does more than comfort your body. It upgrades your nighttime physiology. Optional cinnamon adds a touch of warmth and helps support stable blood sugar, further protecting you from wake-ups caused by sudden glucose swings. Beyond inflammation, turmeric also helps lower cortisol levels, calming the stress response that often spikes in the middle of the night. This supports the parasympathetic nervous system, the branch of your nervous system responsible for rest and digestion, signaling to your body that it's safe to relax and recover. Drinking a warm turmeric milk isn't just a comforting bedtime habit. It's a deliberate choice to influence your body's internal environment, promoting calm muscles, reduced pain, and deeper, uninterrupted sleep. Preparation is straightforward but precise. Warm the milk gently, avoid boiling, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and, if desired, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Drinking this about 30 to 45 minutes before bed allows the nutrients and compounds to be absorbed effectively while giving your body time to transition into a restful state. This combination of tryptophan, curcumin, and gentle warmth signals to both your mind and body that it's time to unwind while actively counteracting inflammation and stress that may otherwise keep you awake. Many people overlook the hidden power in upgrading a simple nightly drink. Regular milk offers comfort, but turmeric milk provides strategy. It targets inflammation, reduces stress hormones, and supports deep relaxation. By choosing this version over plain milk, you're taking control of your nights, creating a ritual that aligns with your body's natural rhythm, and investing in sleep quality that impacts energy, mood, and overall health. This is food number 2, a soothing, science-backed way to reclaim nights that have too often felt restless, leaving your body calm, your joints at ease, and your mind ready to rest fully. Food number 1, frozen cherries. And this one may be the most powerful of them all. Many people reach for cherry juice thinking it will help them sleep, but the reality is more complicated. Juice often contains added sugars and digests quickly, causing rapid spikes in blood glucose that can actually disrupt the very sleep you're trying to improve. Frozen whole cherries, on the other hand, digest more slowly, providing a gentle release of natural sugars and maintaining a steady rhythm that supports your body's nighttime processes. This simple change may seem small, but its effects on sleep can be profound, especially for those who wake up between 2 and 3 a.m., restless and alert despite exhaustion. Frozen cherries are naturally rich in melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. Unlike juice, the slower digestion of whole cherries helps sustain melatonin levels throughout the night, supporting uninterrupted deep sleep cycles. They also contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the brain, helping quiet the subtle stresses and tension that accumulate over the day and often contribute to restless nights. By choosing frozen cherries, you're combining natural hormone support with anti-inflammatory protection, giving your brain and body the tools they need to rest deeply. The slower glucose impact of frozen cherries is particularly important. Rapid blood sugar swings can trigger stress hormone responses, jolting you awake in the early hours. Frozen cherries prevent this, stabilizing blood sugar and maintaining steady melatonin production overnight. This allows your body to experience a more complete restorative sleep cycle while protecting against sudden cortisol surges that often cause middle-of-the-night wake-ups. Small adjustments like this are how you regain control over your nights without medications or harsh interventions, simply by working with your body's natural signals. Preparation is simple and practical. Half a cup of frozen cherries eaten slowly, ideally paired with a small handful of walnuts, provides healthy fats that further slow digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. This combination ensures the melatonin and anthocyanins are released gradually, creating a gentle, sustained effect that carries through the night. Taking the time to eat slowly and mindfully reinforces a signal to your body that it's time to transition into rest, turning an ordinary snack into a strategic tool for sleep health. For anyone who struggles with early morning awakenings, this approach can be transformative. Those 2 to 3 a.m. disruptions are often linked to subtle drops in cortisol and shifts in blood sugar. Frozen cherries help prevent those swings, offering stability, calm, and the opportunity for deep, uninterrupted rest. Your body already knows how to sleep. It just needs the right signals, and this simple, natural choice provides exactly that. By embracing frozen cherries as part of your evening routine, you're not just eating a snack. You're giving your body the cues it needs to restore, repair, and recharge. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more natural sleep science and practical strategies to reclaim the restful nights your body has been longing for. Food number 1 is a small but powerful step toward restoring the deep restorative sleep that shapes your energy, focus, and overall health. By aligning your choices with your body's natural rhythms, you can finally transform nights of restlessness into nights of real recovery,